How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect the PostgreSQL to N8N. So I have a blank canvas right here. The first thing that you want to do is to basically add your first step. Of course, you can customize your automation right here the way you want to. But in our case, to make things easier, I'll just simply navigate straight to the PostgreSQL. Now, the first, of course, to add your trigger. In my case, I'm going to add my on app event right here. And then, of course, we want to simply search for the PostgreSQL, which is going to be this one. Now in here, I have the on new Postgres event. So just simply click on it. And then to connect with your PostgreSQL, you just have to completely fill everything out from the credentials to connect with. Click on the create your credentials. And basically from here, you have your host, database, user, and password. So just fill everything up. And then of course, you can then select what to listen for, which is going to be your table row event. And if you want to do some complicated stuff, you can just click on the advanced option right here. You have your schema name, table name, event to listen for, and that's going to be it. The most crucial step right here is to make sure that you have connected to your PostgreSQL by navigating through the first option and then by filling everything up right here. And if you need a more detailed explanation, you can just click on the Open Docs option. And from here, you have the ability to simply fill everything out, enter the host or domain name for the Postgres server. Basically, it's going to be this one right here, enter the database name and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.